Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is editing our documents in MS Word lesson 5 in computer subject class 4. First of all, we are reading about some question in book. Let's start. Now, tick the correct option. A. Microsoft Word is a popular dash processing software. Answer is Word. Second, another version of MS Word is Microsoft Word. Answer is none of these. Third, by default, a MS Word file is always saved in My Documents. 4. Quick access toolbar is located in the dash of MS Word window. Answer is none of these. 5. Misspelled words are underlined by a curly. Answer is red. Fill in the blanks. Misspelled words can be seen with a single red for spelling, green for grammar, wavy line beneath them. Second, grammatical errors are indicated with red wavy lines, red for spelling, green for grammar. Third, thesaurus helps us to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms of a word. 4. MS Word has a built-in dictionary to check the spelling of a word. 5. Making changes in the text is called editing. Match the following columns. Column 1, column 2. First, Control N, create a new documents. Second, Control S, save the documents. Control C, copy the text. 4. Control V, cut the text. Control V, paste the text. Control V, paste the text. Control X, cut the text. Control A, select the entire documents. Control N, create a new documents. Control S, save the documents. Control C, copy the text. Control V, paste the text. Okay student, Control V, paste the text. Control X, cut the text. Control A, select the entire documents. D. Tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. First, to edit a text document, it has to the first selected right. Second, we cannot insert space between two letters in MS Word. Wrong. Third, cutting means duplicating. Wrong. 4, undo means reversing the change. Right. 5, word count option provide synonyms of a word. Wrong. E, answer the following questions. I will solve this question answers in notebook. Now, first question, what is called text editing? Answer is text editing includes moving the text and arranging it as per requirement. Second, what is the use of spelling and grammar features of MS Word? Answer is the use of spelling and grammar features of words is to identify an incorrect spelling of words and a line with a grammatical mistake. Third, what is thesaurus? Answer, thesaurus is an important feature of MS Word. It allows us to view synonyms of synonyms of a word. 4. What is the use of the word count features of MS Word? Answer is the use of word count features is to count the number of words in a document. 5. How can we insert space between two lines? Answer is we take cursor at the end of the first line and press enter. A blank space is inserted between the two lines. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.